In this video, I will show you how to create a meeting on Google Meet. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is come across to the Google Meet website. So if you open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to meet.google.com. From here, you're going to see a blue button which says new meeting. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open some further options. So at this point, you can choose to create a meeting for later, you can start an instant meeting, or you can schedule one in Google Calendar. If you want to create a meeting for later, give it a click, and what it's going to do is generate a link like this. What you can do is click this button here to copy this link, send it to whoever you want to join the meeting, and when you're ready to start the meeting, all they need to do is come across to meet.google.com. From the homepage, there is a box here to paste the link into, and then you just simply click the join button to join the meeting. Alternatively, if you do want to start a meeting straight away, just click onto new meeting, click the start an instant meeting option, and that's going to start a meeting straight away, which you can then of course invite other people to join that meeting. The third option, schedule in Google Calendar, if you give that a click, it's going to take you across to your Google Calendar where you can set details for the meeting. So for example, you can add a title, you can choose the date and time, and you can add additional information such as the location of the meeting and description as well about the meeting, things like that. Coming over to the right hand side, you have got the option to add guests. So if you give that a click, and what you can then do is enter an email for someone that you want to invite. For example, if I invite my Gmail account, and what that's going to do is basically send an invite once this meeting's created. Now, once you've added all your details, come and click the save button at the top. If you have chosen to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests, then of course you're going to get a window like this where you can choose whether you want to send invitation emails or not. Of course, if you are adding guests, then just click the send button, and that's going to send that through. Now, once you've done that, if you come back to Google Meet, you're going to see this is now scheduled on your homepage down here. And to start this meeting, just simply give it a click like so, and that's going to take you to a screen like this where of course you can just click join now, and you'll be able to go ahead and join that meeting. So that's how to create a meeting on Google Meet. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.